Tom, what's that book you're reading?
It's a book of English proverbs.
Oh, how interesting.
Listen to this one. Better late than never.
I love that saying.
Me too. It's so wise.
You know what? That's perfect timing.
Why?
Because today we're talking about English proverbs and sayings.
Wonderful.
These expressions are so useful.
Native speakers use them all the time.
Let's explore them together.
So, Lucy, what exactly is a proverb?
Great question.
Tell me.
A proverb is a short, wise saying.
Like advice?
Exactly, it teaches us something about life.
Can you give an example?
Of course, actions speak louder than words.
That's a famous one.
What does it mean?
It means what you do is more important than what you say.
Perfect.
These sayings are beautiful.
They really are.
Let's share lots of proverbs today.
Yes, let's do it.
Let's start with time proverbs.
Good idea.
The early bird catches the worm.
What does that mean?
If you wake up early and start working, you'll be successful.
I like that.
It encourages us to be proactive.
Here's another one. Time flies when you're having fun.
So true.
When we enjoy something, time passes quickly.
Everyone experiences this.
And one more, better late than never.
From your book,
What's the meaning?
it's better to do something late than not do it at all.
Very encouraging.
I had a student called Yuki from Japan.
Tell me about Yuki.
She wanted to learn English for years.
But she didn't start.
Not until she was 50 years old.
50.
She felt she was too old.
Oh no.
I told her, better late than never.
Perfect proverb.
She loved it. It gave her confidence.
Did she succeed?
Yes, she's fluent now.
Wonderful story.
The proverb inspired her.
That's the power of these sayings.
Now let's talk about effort and work.
Great category.
Practice makes perfect.
Everyone knows this one.
What does it mean?
If you practice something many times, you'll get better.
Essential for language learning.
Absolutely.
Here's another. No pain, no gain.
This is about hard work.
You need to work hard to achieve results.
Nothing comes easy.
Where there's a will, there's a way.
I love this one.
What's the meaning?
If you really want something, you'll find a method to achieve it.
Very motivating.
These proverbs encourage perseverance.
They really do.
My student Carlos from Spain used these.
How?
He struggled with English pronunciation.
That's common.
He felt like giving up.
What happened?
I reminded him, practice makes perfect.
Did it help?
He practiced every day for 6 months.
And?
His pronunciation improved dramatically.
The proverb kept him going.
Exactly.
Let's talk about friendship proverbs.
Lovely topic.
A friend in need is a friend indeed.
What does this mean?
A real friend helps you when you have problems.
True friendship is tested in difficult times.
Exactly right.
Birds of a feather flock together.
Interesting saying.
What does it mean?
People with similar interests become friends.
We're attracted to similar people.
Very true.
Two heads are better than one.
This is about teamwork.
What's the meaning?
Two people working together can solve problems better than one person alone.
Collaboration is powerful.
Absolutely.
Now let's look at wisdom and caution proverbs.
Good idea.
Don't count your chickens before they hatch.
That's an interesting one.
What does it mean?
Don't make plans based on something that hasn't happened yet.
Wait until you're sure.
Exactly. Don't celebrate too early.
Here's another. Look before you leap.
What's the meaning?
Think carefully before you make a decision.
Don't be impulsive.
Right. Consider the consequences.
All that glitters is not gold.
This is profound.
What does it teach us?
Things that look good on the outside might not be good on the inside.
Don't judge by appearances.
Exactly.
My student Priya from India learned this lesson.
What happened?
She got a job offer that seemed perfect.
But
The salary was high, but the working conditions were terrible.
oh dear.
I reminded her, all that glitters is not gold.
Did she take the job?
No, she found a better one.
The proverb helped her make a wise choice.
Exactly.
Let's share some optimistic proverbs.
Great idea.
Every cloud has a silver lining.
Beautiful saying.
What does it mean?
Even bad situations have something good in them.
There's always hope.
Always.
When one door closes, another opens.
This is encouraging.
What's the meaning?
When you lose one opportunity, a new opportunity will come.
Don't give up.
Keep looking forward.
The darkest hour is just before the dawn.
Very poetic.
What does it teach us?
Things are worse just before they get better.
Hope is coming.
These sayings give us strength.
They really do.
Let's talk about learning and knowledge.
Perfect for our audience.
You're never too old to learn.
I love this one. What's the message?
You can learn at any age.
Learning never stops.
Knowledge is power.
Very famous.
What does it mean?
The more you know, the more capable you are.
Education makes you stronger.
Absolutely.
A little knowledge is a dangerous thing.
This is a warning.
What does it warn us about?
If you only know a little bit, you might make mistakes.
It's better to learn properly.
Completely.
My student Ahmed from Egypt experienced this.
Tell me.
He learned some medical English phrases.
Okay.
Just a few phrases.
What happened?
He tried to give medical advice to his friend,
Oh no!
but he didn't understand properly.
That's dangerous.
I told him, a little knowledge is a dangerous thing.
Important lesson.
He decided to study more thoroughly.
Much better.
Let's share a few more useful sayings.
Yes, let's do it.
Don't put all your eggs in one basket.
What does this mean?
Don't risk everything on one plan.
Have backup options.
Exactly. Spread your risk.
Rome wasn't built in a day.
Great for language learners.
What's the meaning?
Big achievements take time.
Be patient.
Don't expect immediate results.
Perfect advice.
The grass is always greener on the other side.
What does this teach us?
Other people's situations always seem better than yours.
But it's often not true.
Exactly. Be content with what you have.
Wise advice.
Honesty is the best policy.
Simple but important.
What's the message?
Always tell the truth,
It's better to be honest.
even when it's difficult.
These proverbs teach life lessons.
They've been passed down for generations.
People have used them for hundreds of years.
They're part of English culture.
So everyone listening,
Learn these proverbs.
use them in conversation.
Native speakers will be impressed.
They show cultural understanding.
Start with your favorites.
Practice saying them.
Learn what they mean.
Share them with friends.
Proverbs make you sound wise.
And more fluent.
They're beautiful expressions.
Now, let's review some of the most useful proverbs.
Yes, let's practice.
Better late than never.
Better late than never.
Practice makes perfect.
Practice makes perfect.
Actions speak louder than words.
Actions speak louder than words.
Where there's a will, there's a way.
Where there's a will, there's a way.
Look before you leap.
Look before you leap.
Every cloud has a silver lining.
Every cloud has a silver lining.
You're never too old to learn.
You're never too old to learn.
Knowledge is power.
Knowledge is power.
Rome wasn't built in a day.
Rome wasn't built in a day.
Honesty is the best policy.
Honesty is the best policy.
These are timeless wisdom.
Use them in your daily life. Great job today.
You did so well.
Choose 3 proverbs you like.
Learn their meanings.
Practice using them this week.
Share them with friends.
Proverbs connect you to English culture.
They make your English richer.
Thank you for learning with us.
Please subscribe to our channel.
And click the like button.
Remember, practice makes perfect.
See you next time.
Goodbye, everyone.
Goodbye.
Pronounce faster.